Hi, this is YouTube channel PDMS tutorial. So after installing PDMS software, you will get screen like this, and you have to put project name is sample, S is capital, other words is small, username capital sample, password is also sample, capital sample, MDB sample, and make sure module should be on design and press OK. It will take some time to open. So here we will get a screen like this, and first of all I want to tell you that everything you want to create in PDMS, you have to create first zone. After the you have to first create site, zone, and equipment and sub equipment. You can't create directly anything. So here we are creating site first. Go to create and then site. So here we can take any name. Suppose I am giving it a name oil. For example, oil is already exist, so that's why it is not taking name. So we will give it another name by renaming it. Suppose I am giving a name oil gas. After that, create zone. So I want this zone for equipment 001. Then after, create equipment. Here you can give any name. I am giving name as a tank 001. So here after this is the basic thing you have to create first. Then after, go to create and primitives. In primitives box you will get box, cylinder, cone, pyramid, dish. This is the most common thing. It is used in a PDMS software. So we will create box first, and here is a X length, Y length and Z length. So we can see parameter here, X length, Y length and Z. So here we are taking 2000 X length, Y 2000 and Z we are giving 200 mm. So here I am creating. After here it is created. Then after, click next to exit the command, and we can zoom in, zoom out by scrolling. And suppose we want to move, so we need to click the scroll button. You need mouse for this. After creating this, I want to put vertical cylinder on it. So I am creating cylinder, and here is a parameter height and diameter. So I need height 2000 and diameter 1000, and click on create. So it is created. To exit command, click on next. So it is exited, but it is come say in exactly center to this. So we need to move this face to this face. So press F8 button, that is function 8 button, and go to connect primitive ID point. This is the command for connecting two surface. So here I am going to ID point, and just click the bottom surface of plane and here point is match, and I am releasing the button and go to this surface and match and drag the point to this point and release the button. So it is asking you are want to return to the original position. So no, I don't want to return the original position. So it is comes like this, and to comes back in a graphical view, you should press F8 button. So it will be seen like this. After that, I want to put dish on this surface. So here I am creating dish, and here is a parameter you can see, and diameter should be matched with the cylinder. So we have given 1000 diameter, and here is a radius, knuckle radius. Knuckle radius always 10% of diameter, which is given by cylinder or dish. So here I am giving 100, 10% of diameter, and here I am giving 200 height, and click create. And to exit command, click next. So here it is not showing. Press F8 button, you will see something in bottom, and right click, go look north. So it is clearly visible, it is on bottom side. So go to connect point, we want this face on this surface. So connect primitive ID point and zoom in, click any surface and just drag the point to this point and release the mouse key. Click on this surface and drag the point and match this surface. So here it is asking return to original position, no, and we have created to exit from wireframe. Press F8 and it will be seen like this. You can create anything, box, cylinder, cone, from this command. This is primitive, and you can join any point from connect primitive point. So I want to teach you another method of joining or moving equipment. So first of all, I will click right, look north. If you want to see top view, go on plan north. This is top view. So I want to teach you another method. So I am intentionally moving this object to this point. There is another method you can use. If you know the height, then I can put directly this is upside. So how we know this is upside? Just turn on the axis, type here command line. Here is a command line, and if in your computer it is not showing, go display and command line, click on command line. So it will be shown axis on. So axis, here is axis showing, this is north, east, up. So we want up, and we know that 2000 is our height of cylinder, so it is exactly middle of it. So we want up by 1000. So type by space u and 1000. So it is comes like this. You can use this command also if you know the distance. And if you want to go east side, just type by east and give the distance 3000. It will comes like this. If I want back, e minus 3000. So you can give any command like this: north, east, west, south, up, down. If I want original position, by, down, 1000. So it will comes like this. To comes back in a from wireframe to graphical view, click this button, and to turn on access, turn off access, type this. And if drawing is not showing, go display and graphical view, it will be shown. And make sure design and go equipment first. Here my already selection is on equipment, that's why I am making this. Make sure your selection should be on equipment while when you creating equipment. So this is the first video which I have created, and please, if you like this video, please like and share and subscribe the video for more videos. Thank you.